About. They don't have no house down there.
Majority of things them down here, so they flat. Flat, caving, flat. Every roof gone. Every roof, as long as you see line down this,
They
roof
getting worse now
gone.
we down there.
But we have life. We don't record no death round here so far, so we good.
Which is important. If you have life, you have
Life is good. Life is
You can replace the buildings, you can
But
replace
hey,
Alright,
if this
you take
time
a look
not
at
teach
it,
me
what
nothing.
is it? What is it? What's blocking
you see, the other day, I was saying to myself that people praise material things so much. And today is a day when everybody asks me, alright, me have life. Everybody appreciate life. At this moment, no big house no mean nothing, no big car no mean nothing, no land no mean nothing. Life is everything right now. Everybody, alright, boy, me lose my house, but me have life. We have life. My house, me lose my house, me lose my shop, me lose everything, but me have life. And that we say, togetherness and life, nothing with vanity. Anybody want brag and boast now, what them all brag about? Homelessness. Rich and poor, we're homeless.
All
All
we
are homeless.
Rich and poor, but on the extent
Yeah. All my life, me never know a movie alone. Movie alone, me ever see them sitting here and I never see who signed up that script here? No, who put in a script we don't know about in a real life.